there's a ton of ways, Adam, to smartly use a printed book or a digital book. So, I mean, one of the things that a local business has that you and I don't have necessarily is a place where people are coming into our place of business, right? Our store, our office, our gym, whatever it is. So that alone offers a unique opportunity to literally use your Shook as a display. Hey, grab a copy with a little signed free book, etc. The really smart strategy is, and I've had so many clients do this, Adam, if you can come up with a strategic partner network. So for example, I had a client, a dentist, a holistic dentist, doesn't use mercury in the mouth, doesn't use fluoride. So a person who's interested in that tends to be health oriented. He put his Shook in yoga studios, chiropractor offices, gym, places, health food stores, places where healthy people hang out. Within the first 30 days of doing that, Adam, he got 3 new patients that never even knew about him until they saw his Shook at their chiropractor's office or their gym. So that's a real unique opportunity that local business owners have.